Good day everyone. So I am here to teach how to fold a letter and insert into an envelope. So first, place the letter on a flat surface, and the second is fold the bottom half of the letter like this. And also the upper of bond paper. So make sure that the edge of your paper is aligned. So if your finish is, you have to crease like this. You have to crease using your nails. Crease and then so here, and then let's going to how to insert an envelope. And so you have to hold your envelope like using your hand on it. And then you have to hold like this using your thumb. Like this. And then this. And then gently push the letter into the envelope until it's fully settled. So this. And then if you finish, you're going to seal the envelope. So here we are. So thank you and babuhay.